Well, hello. This is like a combination. I'm going to have a little stir fry with this. I can't see how I'd want to eat this alone. But it's, and pardon me if I say this wrong, Bibigo steamed dumplings, pork and vegetable. Little nutrition information should you need it. This cooks up rather simply in the microwave. So we're going to see just how good can microwave food be. Yeah, and I know I'm always saying stuff, but you can pretty much stir fry anything. I've got some broccoli, peas, carrots, red pepper, oh, and fresh white onion. Oh, I almost forgot to chop spinach. Yes, I really like that in my stir fry. I let it thaw just a tad because this is all frozen food, and I like it just to unfreeze just a tad. And now I go ahead and I put my burner on medium high. I don't have any fancy cooking oil, just use regular vegetable oil. I'm going to want to throw my broccoli in here first because I want that to cook a little bit before I put the smaller vegetables in. And this is where I add my salt. Just regular iodized salt, and I just put a little bit more than a smidgen. And now for the rest of the vegetables, I have the magic of speeding this stuff up. Now I want to add some fresh black peppercorn pepper. You know, season to taste. You know me, I'm always going to want my cayenne red pepper in there too. Just for heck's sake, I'm going to drop a little bit of sesame seed in there and hope they get roasted while I'm stir frying. Now once I've gotten about this far, I want to go ahead and get my little flavor packet out of here. I want to put my dipping sauce in warm water. You got to realize everything's frozen. You can't take this stuff out and thaw it out. As a matter of fact, you have to eat all 6 of them at one time, because you can't put them back in the freezer either. And now I'm going to want to go ahead and put these in the microwave for about 1.5 minutes, minute 45 seconds. Now it says to go ahead and vent it by cutting off a corner of it. See, just a little bit of ventilation there. Now I cooked my brown rice ahead of time and then I chill it in the refrigerator. It'll soak up less oil that way. Now at this time, towards the end of my cooking, I want to put in some soy sauce. Not too much. Everybody puts in way too much. I want to toss in a bit of pure sesame seed oil. Not too much. A lot of people use way too much. I just so happen to have a small enough little bowl here for my dipping sauce. Now I had to let these rest for 1 minute before taking them out of the package. Oh, that's a nice presentation there. Oh, I forgot about my sweet chili sauce, Panda Express. I love this brand. See, this is all a trick about tingling all the senses. I've got my sweet, I've got my hot, I've got my savory, I've got my salt. I've got to imagine there has to be some vinegar of some sort in that dipping sauce. And now for the taste test here. I just couldn't think about eating these without some kind of fried rice or something with it. And they're a little tough to cut through here, but I don't have those chopsticks like it shows on the front. I'm sure it would have helped a whole lot if I had the chopsticks here. Well, that has a nice presentation to it there. Yeah, I like that. It looks like a dumpling, doesn't it? Oh, great taste. Absolutely great taste. Let's see what it tastes like with all the combination of flavors here. Hold on. Oh, perfect. That's actually excellent. For microwave dumplings, this is absolutely excellent. It's kind of addicting, actually. Well, let me grab a knife. I know that's going to make things so much easier. Oh, yeah, I like that. I do. I like the way it presents itself. Yeah, I need just a little bit more sauce here. Absolutely. I think I can eat all 6 of these. And all the flavor combinations. I'm telling you, you tickle the senses of all the flavors, and everyone will always love what you make. They won't know why, and they can't duplicate it because they'll leave something out. Okay, I obviously really like this a lot. I really do. So, this is all I really had for you today. And I just wanted to throw together some fried rice or something to where I wasn't just eating the dumplings, and I'm so glad I did. So I would definitely get this again. This was given to me, in all honesty. I just tried to do something with it, and this to me is fabulous. So you guys have yourselves a lovely day, and you know I will as well. And I'll be talking to you soon. Bye.